There are several reasons why term life insurance can be a better option than whole life insurance for some individuals. Firstly, term life insurance policies are more affordable compared to whole life insurance policies. This is because term life insurance only provides coverage for a specific period, while whole life insurance provides coverage for the entirety of the policyholder's life. Who really needs life insurance for that long? We don't need it for that long, right? Moreover, term life insurance policies offer more flexibility, as policyholders can choose the length of their coverage period. Individuals who only need coverage for a specific period, such as until their children complete their education, can choose a term life insurance policy and invest the difference in amount that fits their needs and budget. Lastly, whole life insurance policies come with a cash value component that accumulates over time. However, this feature contributes to the higher premiums associated with whole life insurance policies. For those who are looking for pure protection and do not want to pay for additional features, term life insurance can be a better option. In summary, term life insurance offers affordability, flexibility, and pure protection, making it a compelling option for many individuals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.